Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna be talking about YouTube Shorts, and it's no news. YouTube Shorts has been here on YouTube for a while now, and people have been jumping into the trend, and I also have jumped in as well. And I'm going to take you through how YouTube Shorts has helped improve my channel. And if that sounds like a video you're most interested in, definitely keep on watching. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel up to this point, please hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, and let's jump right into the video. So late last year, 2020, YouTube launched another feature called the YouTube Shorts, which is a 1 minute or less video, and it is usually filmed in the portrait form or in the vertical form, as opposed to filming in the vertical form like I am filming right now. And a lot of YouTubers have jumped into that trend, and I also for one did that, and it has helped improve my channel in terms of views, subscribers, and push up my channel to growth. And it's something that everyone should give a try to their channel. And I know that what works for you or what works for someone else might not work for you, might be different, but it is never too late to try something different to your channel. And YouTube Shorts is something you should incorporate in your channel. You can create engaging videos. So what do I mean by YouTube Shorts? YouTube Short is a 1 minute video or less that is shot in a portrait form or in vertical, just like your TikTok or just like the Instagram Reels, and is close or similar to the Instagram Reels, or a little bit different because it can be shot in 1 minute as well. And in order for you to get your channel seen or to get viewers, or to get viewers or to get views, you have to create engaging YouTube Shorts or engaging shorts. It's not like your regular YouTube videos where you create in the landscape form or whatever. This is more like the Instagram Reels. This is more like the Instagram Reels, and it has to be engaging. It has to grab the attention of your viewers for that 1 minute, in as much as you're keeping it real, keeping it interesting. Or within that 1 minute, it has to grab their attention, and it doesn't limit you to creating just one video. You can incorporate more things into the YouTube Shorts in order to keep you consistent or to keep your channel seen or be recommended on YouTube. Ever since I jumped into the YouTube Shorts, my channel has seen nothing but growth, views, and as well as subscribers. And the recent one I uploaded got 10,000 views, and from the analytics here is showing that I gained up to 10,000 views, which is unlike my channel, which is not usually for my channel. And in that particular video I gained a whole 22 subscribers, which normally I don't get that amount of subscribers. I know for my channel, me getting 22 subscribers for one video, I mean, it is something. If I'm doing this every day, or if I'm posting YouTube Shorts every day and I'm getting 22 subscribers, it doesn't necessarily mean that on every video I post or on every YouTube Short I post I'm gonna get 22 subscribers. No, some might do well, some might not do well, but it is something to give a try, especially if you're looking to grow your channel, or if you're looking to stay consistent here on YouTube. Definitely give YouTube Shorts a try. If you want to see a video, let me know if you want me to create a video on how to create engaging YouTube Shorts, and I'll be glad to do that. The good thing about YouTube Shorts is it allows you to post 1 minute video less, maybe 15 seconds video, 40 seconds, and all still counts to YouTube Shorts. The con about it is the views you get from it or on it doesn't count to your watch time. I know, but it's definitely going to count for your views and you gaining subscribers. I know a lot of people have gained subscribers, a lot of people have gained views as well as reaches, likes, growth, whatever you want to name it, and people have been jumping into this and it's really helping channels grow. And if you've not jumped into this YouTube Shorts, definitely give it a try. You can post your normal TikTok videos on YouTube as well, or post your normal Instagram videos if you're into Instagram tutorials, Instagram videos. If you create lifestyle, hair, makeup, food, whatever you want to term it, whatever it is, dance videos, gaming, those are the type of videos you create or you post. You can post them on YouTube Shorts. You can create a 1-minute video and post them on YouTube Shorts and watch your channel grow, because it's not limiting to a particular style or a particular way. It is not limiting to a particular style or a particular way. It is just to get the views, to get the subscribers, and who knows, one day or someday you might be monetized or it might be monetized, but for now it is not monetized. And also the videos, the watch time doesn't count on your watch time, so don't let that be discouraging, or don't let that discourage you from creating YouTube Shorts. Create engaging videos, get subscribers rather than doing sub for sub. Get subscribers, get views, get seen. Just create it to get your channel seen. Who knows, that might be one of the videos that might blow you all up or take you go viral. And I know 2021, a lot of us want to go viral, want to get viral, and YouTube has brought another feature for one to create entertaining videos and jump on the trend if you can. If you don't know how to go about it, do let me know. I'm here, definitely here to show you how to create a YouTube short, and the hashtag for YouTube Shorts is using hashtag shorts or hashtag YouTube short videos or hashtag YouTube shorts. Just videos like that. Anyhow, even if you have old videos on your channel that are 1 minute or less that didn't count in as YouTube Shorts before, now they are definitely going to count as YouTube Shorts. You're getting the views on that video, but the watch time would not count on your watch time. It's only the views and the subscribers. And also another one I created, another YouTube short I uploaded on my channel that got up to 8,000 views. I gained 33 subscribers on that one as well. Not to say, so you can see that the one with the 10,000 views gave me 22 subscribers, and the one with the 8,000 views gave me 33 subscribers, which is not bad at all, because if this is something I consistently do on my channel, there will be growth on my channel, and you see the consistency, because people will stay on my channel, watch other videos. And the good thing about YouTube Shorts is when viewers watch your video, it is easy for them to click to subscribe to your channel, easy to like and comment, so it doesn't take a lot of process to go or click to your channel to click to subscribe. They can subscribe on the spot, and if it is that interesting, then they can view your channel, go to your channel and check out for other videos, which is really great, and I love it, because with that I've been getting subscribers, views, countless, like you name it, only to name it, and I've been enjoying YouTube Shorts so far. And sometimes though might not do well that day you posted it, like mine, it didn't do so good on that very day I posted it. It was 2 days after I posted it I started getting the views. It doesn't work with every channel. Sometimes it might be that same very day it might be seen or it might go viral that very day. It might not be that same day, it might be the following day, it might take 2 days or so. Doesn't matter. The most important thing is posting it, keeping people engaged, keeping you consistent. And I know people who post YouTube shorts every single day, like it's now part of their system, it's now part of their channel, that they can't go a day without posting YouTube shorts, and it is engaging. And I know a lot of people have jumped into this trend, and some it didn't favor, or some their videos didn't do well, but that doesn't limit you to stop doing it. Like when I first started, or when I first posted my YouTube shorts, when I decided to give it a try, my very first video didn't do well, and still till date it didn't do well. But that didn't stop me. That never stopped me from doing that. I still went on consistently, decided to give it a try. The second one also didn't do well, and then 2 days later I started getting the views, and then subscribers came, and then I decided to keep posting, because I found out that the YouTube short is something that is kind of similar to what I do on Instagram. I post Instagram tutorials, and if I do post such videos on Instagram, and YouTube now has the feature to do that, why not post it on my YouTube as well, in order to keep the balance, or in order for me to be consistent on YouTube, in as much as I haven't created other YouTube videos. But if I have YouTube shorts, it will bring the subscribers, it will bring the views without adding to the watch time. It doesn't matter, we're all growing, or we're all getting somewhere, and getting the views or getting the subscribers or getting the growth. What is important for the main time before working for the watch time. I know a lot of us, or every one of us, want to get monetized, but you create other videos and create an engaging YouTube shorts to get your viewers or get the audience to go watch your other videos, and who knows, your other videos might do well as well. So don't limit yourself to not posting YouTube shorts. Get into YouTube shorts, and if you have issues or if you have problems with doing your YouTube shorts, do let me know in the comment section. And if you've tried YouTube shorts before, let me know in the comment section as well how it worked on your channel, or it helped your channel grow, or how it performed on your channel. Do let me know in the comment section as well. And again, if you want to see video on how to create engaging YouTube shorts, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll be glad to create a video like that for you. And yes, if you enjoyed the video, do give this video a huge thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.